Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to create this project. Okay. So this project is created using Flutter, Bloc and clean architecture. Over here we are displaying the data which is coming from the Firebase. So in this video you also going to learn how we can fetch the data from the Firebase as well. So as you can see these all are the data that I have stored in the Firebase. So let me show you the architecture. So in this video we are going to create this project in a clean architecture where I have created three layers. First will be data, second will be domain, third will be the presentation layer. Okay. Over here I also implemented the Firebase local store Firebase storage as well cloud storage. Okay, so I will start creating this project from scratch again. So let me just simply clean the code. And to get this architecture, I also learned this clean architecture from the Flutter guys tutorials, where they have created the car rented project. So this project is also learned from that project. Let me simply remove all of the code. I will start creating the project again. Okay, so I have cleaned most of the code. What's this thing? It's okay. I think we can remove this thing as of now. So first I'm going to create a UI for the project. After that I will show you how we can implement the Firebase with the project. And next will be the block part, like how we can call the API and get the data from the Firebase. Okay, so let's simply create the project. Uh, First I go to the main function which I am already in. Will create the main dot void run app my app, and let's create this my app over here. material app. Let's see, material app and theme type. I think let's see, leave this title like, since we already get the title from the onboarding screen. Let's say onboarding on, and this page is about to be created yet. We will create this project. We will create this screen. I am wondering why this is showing. Let's see. Uh, oh, my mistake. Silly mistake that I have done. So let's create this onboarding page. You can get this source code in the links as well, like how we can set up this architecture. You can copy the architecture from there as well. Let's create the class onboarding that we have created over here. Extends stateless widget override builder context. Here I am going to use this scaffold. Background color will be body center column. Expand. In the expand, I'm going to first use the container for the image where decoration most box decoration. Inside this box decoration, I'm going to use the decoration image. Over image, I'm going to use the asset image, and I already installed, or you can say have this image inside my project. And let me also show you how we can add the asset inside the this thing. Over this directory I have my images, as you can see over here. Okay, so this is where I'm using the images, and this will give us the 100% width. let's say padding side will be column indexes. I think let's see what the output, what's the current output, and I will also show you the side by side reflection as well. Let's see. Let's auto effects. Let's see what's the current output over here. It's showing the error. Const class cannot become okay. Const class cannot become non-const. Okay, so I think this should be const. Um, it's saying the error is saying const class cannot become non-const library existing class by performing the hot restart instead. Okay, I got it. Let's start the file again. I think we can use the const over here, but I don't know why it's still showing. Build field. Uh, let's start again. Until it start, we continue coding. So I have created this. Uh, I have implemented this image. After this, there will be a text section, and after it, it will be a button section. So let's work on the text section. Over here, I am going to use the column where let's say text. mm, Your right text style font size will be little big. Okay, so this will be the heading section, and after that I need let's see. So there will be a bullet point over here. I think let's just copy the content that I have created. Uh, you can get the source code from my GitHub link. I'm not going to write this code again since this is the content code. After the paragraph, after the paragraph, we are going to have the button center child size box with 2000 height 50. Okay, child elevated button. Let's I think keep this thing remaining. And for the child, we are going to use the text text. Let's slash go, and style will be font size 60. Font weight will be bold I think. And why this is showing error. Invalid constant value. Remove the const value. I don't know why it is showing error. Mm, let's move this thing. Okay, and this will be a const. So we can I can leave this thing as it is. Let's check what we have missed. I think most of the code that I have written is quite good, but still it is showing error. I think this till this thing. Let's copy and paste. I think I have missed something. I remove this thing. Yeah, got this thing. Since we are using this const over here, that that's why it is showing the error. I think uh, perform unable to install. Let's run the code again. Let me check the service. I think it's got good. Mm, let me comment. Not have enough space, not not enough space. Let me just simply clean some of the things. Let's run it again. So there will be a class space issue. That's why it is showing. Now it start building. Since I have uninstalled it, it may take time. Might take some time. So this is what it's showing. And let me also remove the this patch over here as well. So for removing this patch, you just need to go over here, debug show banner off, patch removes. Okay, okay. So if you notice, like in the previous UI, it's in the corner, not on the center part. So let's fix this thing. this pair. Let's use main axis evenly. Okay, so as you can see, our button will be in the bottom as we want. Let's also use the cross axis element. Start. Hmm, Start. What's thing left is, I think the style of the button should be different. Like in the previous video, the text it's the black and white. Let me also show you how we can fix this thing. Over here, you need to create the style. Style will be elevated button style from for foreground builder colors black, and the background will be a white. I think it's already a white color, so let's see. Hmm. So this looks nice to me. Hmm. Okay, so let's work on the next thing, which is the display screen. So let's continue the video on the next part, where we are going to create our list, where we are showing the ATVs. Okay, thanks for watching.